Hi everyone! Sino nga ba si Doktora Marita?
Madaldal. Sobrang daldal.
Dr. Marita is very appreciative.
Resilient because you remain resilient sa lahat po ng binabato or hinaharap mo difficulties.
Inspiring leader.
Totoong tao.
Agaw pansin. May magbibigay ng award, kaya lang di naman ako yung kasama sa award-giving body kasi kami ay nag-YouTube lang. Ako bibigyan ko siya ng award. Extra miler. Bakit extra miler? Kasi marami siyang na-achieve. Diba? Yung iba naman kasi mga achievements niyan, hindi lang natin nakikita sa QC-DCI, pati rin sa kanyang mga anak. Yung mga anak niya,
very
diba?
true. Yes.
So, kanino ba nagmana si Doktora Marita? Doon sa kanyang mga anak. Kaya siya ay extra miler. Doon siya nagmana.
It was in late December 2022 when Marita approached me to be one of her advisors. I told her to expect me to be direct, to say things as they are, and if needed, to reprimand her. I advise only when asked, unless I observe something blatant or gross mistake. I admire Marita. Kahit nasasabihan ko siya early on, she didn't take this personally. Hindi dinamdam, or maybe she hid it from me. Towards the second half of this term, I noticed she sought my advice less. She grew into the position she is in. Presidente na siya.
Dr. Marita came to me asking about help for the scientific committee. The nice thing about her is that she's very open to whatever advice or whatever changes that needs to be done, she will do it. Kahit na pagalitan mo, pagsabihan mo in a nice way or in a not so nice way sometimes, she will accept and she will try to make everything better for the next time. Yun ang maganda talaga sa kanya. She's very open about change. That's the quality I admire most about her. And I've seen the transformation from a very shy, timid member of QCDCI to a real leader. I can say a real leader because she has passion for everything that she does for the society, for the members of the society, for the community that we all serve. May puso. May passion, may puso sa trabaho. And that's the best part of being a leader.
Aloha from Hawaii. Good morning, everyone. It's been my honor and privilege to be one of the advisors during Dr. Marita's terms. That 1 year may seem quite short, but now the time has come for you to finally relax. No matter obstacles you've been through, you've managed to surpass them.
Congratulations and thank you for sacrificing your time and efforts for the love of QCDCI. Finishing your term is another feather in your cap. It was quite a feat and I'm so happy and proud of you. As you move on with your life, I sincerely wish you happiness and I hope that one day when you grow old, you would smile whenever you think of your presidency. Again, congratulations, sis!
Hi, Morets! Congratulations! Natapos mo din ang term mo. Really so proud of you. Anyway, I remember when you were still undecided whether to take the presidency or not. Sabi mo, kaya ko ba to? Sabi ko, kayang-kaya mo yan. 1 taon lang yan. See? Ang dami mong na-accomplish. And really, really, galing. Anyway, di ko lang sinasabi sa'yo that I really pray for you and your board every day. As in, every day. See? O, diba? Ang daming grasya dun sa prayers ko sa inyo. But anyway, again, congratulations again. And makakatawa ka na uli ng malakas na malakas because wala ka ng stress. Wala ka ng worries. So, and maasikaso mo na si ... Anyway, I'd like to offer this song for you. You made it through the rain. You kept our world protected. You made it through the rain. You kept your point of view. You made it through the rain and found yourself respected by the others who got rained on too and made it through. Again, congratulations.
Hello everyone. Time has gone so fast, and before you know it, your administrative year is almost over. I remember the time when you asked me to be one of your trailblazing advisors. We spent day and night discussing your plans, programs, activities, and sponsorships. I commend you and your board for reaching this far. My warm congratulations to well-deserved awards given by the Philippine Dental Association. But most of all, I would like to extend my sincerest gratitude for all the hard-earned efforts, sleepless nights, time, and treasure. And all this boils down for the love of QCDCI. The success of one is the success of all. And because of this, I, together with the officers and members of the QCDCI Council of Presidents, we welcome you, immediate past President, Dr. Marita Angeles Bielsa.
The first thing that impressed me about you is for you to be a very loving daughter to your mother and a loving mother to your daughters and a dedicated wife. I'm pretty sure of that because being alone to rear up your children, go to college, finish their education, rear them in all their good manners and right conduct is very impressive. And I hope everybody will be impressed too of your dedication. Thank you and God bless you all.
Nung officer kami before sa term ni Doc Jane, plan ko, sobrang natutuwa ako sa kanya. Gusto ko mag-officer sa kanya kapag siya yung presidente. Pero plan namin, 2030 pa. Hindi ko gets bakit siya nag-officer ngayon. So, ngayon, binalikan niya ako. Then, nag-promise ako sa kanya. So, happy naman ako at in-accept ko yung offer niya na maging officer ngayong term. Sobrang nag-enjoy ako sa mga tao. Hindi kasi siya yung normal na officer na nakikita, officer na nakasama na every year, yun at yun pa rin. As in, itong mga officer niya is parang mix. So, happy ako na nakakilala ako ng mga bagong tao. Thank you, Doc.
Marvelously rich tita. Yan, si Doc Marita. Okay? Kasi bakit marvelously rich? Bahala na si Doc Marita kung talagang ko-confirm niya yan with her yayamanin na aura. Pero I believe she is marvelously rich in terms of her dedication, in terms of her commitment in serving QCDCI. So, kita naman natin yan in her leadership. So, she's a marvelously rich tita. Tita, kasi lang namang ate, o kaya lang namang miss or missis. So, she's a tita because she's a one accomplished and achieved woman. O, diba? Happy birthday!
Doc Marita, thank you for giving me the opportunity to serve QCDCI. Honestly, when you first asked me to become the chair of the Continuing Education Committee, I didn't expect it to be as challenging as it turned out to be. I honestly thought na tag-sign lang ako ng certificate, but it turned out to be more challenging than I expected. But despite that, I also enjoyed so much. I still can't believe how
you thought of bringing together the group of people that you did for the committee kasi sobrang nag-jive kami well, and I think more importantly, the success that we achieved is because of the perfect combination of people that we had the chance to work with. So, dun pa lang, Doc, dun pa lang for me, bilib na ako sa'yo. And as the days went by, na-inspire mo talaga kami to really, really do well. And thank you so much for this year.
At first, I never thought it would be easy for me to work with you. Kasi nga sabi nila, medyo suplada ang dating mo. But as we work together, I realized that you're such a caring and supportive person. Well, I felt the friendship, the long phone calls, early morning or late night, sometimes just venting. I will keep that. And I hope the friendship will go beyond 71st QCDCI. I wish you well, good luck on the next chapter of your life. Kung ano man yun, basta't kasama sana ako.
I believe that everything happens for a reason, and I think tama din yung desisyon na sumali ako sa board mo nung inaferan mo kami maging officer. Tapos actually nung time na nag-meet tayo for the first time, hindi ko in-expect na totoo pala yun. Akala ko parang group work lang or something, pero totoo na pala. Parang board, maging part na ako ng board mo nun. And then, sobrang happy ako na naging part nga ako ng board mo dahil nakilala ko yung mga tao na naging parang part ng family ko ngayon, which is kayo. And sobrang proud ako sa'yo kasi nagagawa mo lahat ng or tinatry mo gawin lahat ng mga possible ways, kahit na parang idea lang namin siya sa umpisa, pero you try to make it work. And natutuwa ako kasi ngayon lang ako nakakakita ng presidente na pwede kong tawagin D, ganyan, tapos kinukulit ko, tapos kukulitin lang din ako, tapos magdadaldalan kami hanggang madaling araw, tapos nag-usap kami ng mawalang kwentang bagay. Ayan. Ayun, basta sobrang proud ako sa'yo. Kasi, kahit ako sa sarili ko, hindi ko alam kung hanggang saan lang ako, pero na-bring out mo kung ano yung capacity or yung mga yung mga abilities na pwede ko pa palang gawin. Ang saya nung naging experience ko ngayong year, and kahit may mga magugulong parts, na-enjoy ko pa rin talaga siya. Ayan. Thank you, Doc Marita, and happy birthday ulit.
Madam President, Mare, I'm very proud in serving QCDSI in your term.
Hi, Doc. Ang pagpapabudol sa'yo sa start ng term natin ang isa sa mga pinakamagandang decision ko sabihin sa 23-24. Thank you kasi naisip mo gawin akong part ng officers mo and ng board mo. You brought out yung potential na hindi ko alam na meron pa pala ako. Thank you sa paghatid mo sa akin lagi pag pauwi na tayo. I appreciate it. Thank you!
Thank you po sa opportunity na binigay niyo po sa akin para makapag-serve po ako sa mga kapwa ko dentist at matuto. Dahil po sa inyo, nakahanap po ako ng mga totoong kaibigan.
Nagsimula ang aming friendship sa pagiging volunteer.
Okay.
Volunteer. Diyan lang po na po ang aming grupo. Volunteer dancers.
Siya yung nag-develop nung pareho naming kaliwang paa, yung parehong kanan paa, na nag-meet up na lang kasi kabobomba niya.
Doc Marita, maraming salamat po na binigyan niyo ako ng opportunity para mag-serve po sa Quezon City. Maraming salamat dahil nagtiwala kayo doon sa kakayanan ko para ibigay yung best ko na makatulong po sa atin sa Quezon City.
Hello po, Dr. Marita. Oh, hi ka, baby. Hi! If we can describe Dr. Marita using the letters of her name, all I can say is she is amazing and incredible. Oh, yan. Approve. Sige. Because for this past year, during her term, nakita ko talaga na she really did her best to be able to fulfill her role as the president, and she was able to lead us so that we can have a successful year. Again, congratulations, Doc. Happy birthday. I'm wishing you good health and blessings to your family, sa mga anak mo, tsaka kay mother niyo po.
Thank you, Doc. And being your secretary means a lot. Ang dami ko pong natutunan sa inyo, and hoping na meron din po kayo natutunan sa akin. And I'm really grateful na tsumamba dahil ikaw yung naging QCDCI president. And then, sobrang thankful po ako, and huwag po kayong magalit kasi talagang ang tingin ko po sa inyo ay second mom.
Birthday!
Happy birthday, Doc Marita!
Happy birthday, Doc Marita!
Congratulations, Dr. Marita, and happy birthday. May our Lord grant all your wishes and desires. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Doc Marita!
On this special day, may God bless you and grant you your heart's desire, Doc. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Doc Marita.
Happy birthday, Doc Marita!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear friend ko. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord shower you with an abundance of love, peace, happiness, good health, and friends who will always be there for you through thick and thin.
Maligayang kaarawan sa iyo! Para sa QCDCI.
And also, congratulations!
Congrats!
Ang pinaka-memorable experience ko po, Doc, is yung unang araw na nakilala ko po personally lahat sa SciComm po. Natuwa po ako kasi very dynamic po tayong lahat noon. And ang dami nating nababatong ideas. Nagja-jive po talaga lahat tayo kahit na halos kakamit lang natin sa isa't isa. And nakakatuwa, napaka-memorable talaga sa akin every single time na nagmi-meeting tayo para lang tayong barkadahan din na nagkukwentuhan. Pero ang dami nating natatapos, ang dami nating nagagawa. So maraming salamat ulit, Doc, na nagbigyan mo kami ng opportunity to get to know each other, and sobrang saya ko na naging kaibigan ko kayong lahat.
Memorable experience ko nung binigyan ako ng task ni Doc Marita para maging chairman ng BLS. So, umpisa, syempre natatakot ako. Ayoko talaga. Pero, naniwala siya sa akin. Talagang pinasya ako, hindi, kaya mo yan. So, nung in-accept ko siya, tas nagawa ko siya, sobrang sarap sa pakiramdam na nakatulong ka sa mga kapwa mo dentist. At the same time, sobrang nakita ko kung gaano sila magpasalamat sa akin. Kaya, ang nasa isip ko nun, kapag ginawa mo lahat ng best mo, sigurado na maraming tao na makaka-appreciate dun sa ginawa mo. Kaya thank you, Doc, kasi dahil sa'yo, naramdaman ko yung sobrang na-appreciate ako ng mga kapwa ko din ako staff.
Memorable? Madami. Halos lahat. Kasi umpisa pa lang, ano ba? Tree planting pa lang. Pinatakte na ako ng mga insekto. Tapos, team building. Napaka-competitive namin. Pero, ayun, masaya lang. Masaya lang yung time na yun. Tapos, lahat ng CEC meetings, kasi parang feeling ko naglalaro lang. Masaya siya, masaya yung environment. Tapos, every seminar, sobrang light ng, nakakapagod, pero sobrang light nung environment. Tapos, masarap din yung feeling kapag successful yung event. And, ayun, every chapter meeting, every month, hindi naman talaga ako sanay na gumigising na maaga eh. So, napaka-memorable ng mga araw na gumigising ako ng maaga. Yun lang.
My memorable experience with Doc Marita is when we went to PDA office doing remittances, PDA remittances. Well, it's my first time going to PDA office after how many years na dentista na ako. And doon nag-start yung aming mga conversation kasi from QC to Makati and Makati to QC, sobrang traffic. So, doon nag-start yung bonding namin. At hindi lang isa, hindi 3 beses ata kami bumalik sa PDA office. And every time we go to PDA office, kumakain kami ng pansit somewhere there. So, tawanan and kwentuhan. So, I think that's a very memorable experience with that documentary. And I enjoy it.
Memorable for me this year is yung Dental Quest kasi it's a wonderful time of visiting our colleagues, visiting them in their respective dental clinics, spending even some short time of talking and updating with them. So it's a good time also to meet new people and also makuha natin yung heart nila in every matter that is concerning our dental chapter and a whole lot more. So Dental Quest, okay yan. It's a good experience for me this year.
Most memorable ko po for this year would be the first seminar kasi sobrang talagang doon na-test tayo, doon natin nakita yung ability natin na makakapag-conduct talaga tayo ng seminar. And for that, truly happy ako.
We will always do everything for QCDCI. I remember during my term, I told some of my officers that ang service, kahit pwede mong gawin. If it's coming from your heart. Walang pinipiling trabaho or task. Pag kaya mo gawin mo. Walang ine-expect na kapalit, kundi yung mga ngiti ng mga taong napagsilbihan mo and the glory and pride that you gave your chapter. Mabuhay ang QCDCI!
I congratulate Marita for choosing a working board made up of mostly new, young officers who introduce new ways to attack the same projects we have year after year. I hope you officers are learning to imbibe our love for our organization, giving oneself for the common good, being a team player. I appreciate all of you who participated in our projects for the love of QCDCI.
I'd like to express my appreciation to all those who supported Quezon City Dental Chapter. Thank you for the officers, chairman, advisors, past presidents, traders, volunteers, families, and friends. To those who supported all the successful seminars, activities, and outreach program, kudos to all of you for the love of QC.
For the love of QCDCI.
For the love of QCDCI.
For the love of QC.
For the love of QCDCI.
And for the love of QCDSI.
For the love of QCDCI.
For the love of QC.
For the love of QCDCI.
For the love of QCDCI.
And for the love of QCDCI, congrats to all of us. See you next year. Bye-bye!